been learning a lot of different shapes in math. Let's see if you can remember the names of the shapes. What is this one? Triangle, good job. This one? Circle, good job. This one? Square, good job. What about this one? A little tricky. Close to this one, but not the same. Do you remember this name? Rectangle. Okay, so these shapes have some things that are the same, but some things that are different. Like this shape, the triangle, has a lot of straight lines. Okay, this is a straight line. Straight line. But does a circle have straight lines? Do you see any lines that are straight or straight with the circle? No, a circle, remember, it has a different kind of line. It is a curved line. Remember the curved line for the circle? A curve. It's not straight, it's a curve. Okay, what kinds of lines does the square have? Curved or straight? You said straight, good job. Same with the rectangle. Now, what is a side? Do you remember what the side of a shape is? Let's look at the square. This part, if you can see it here, let me use the green one, is the side. This is one side. Two sides. Three sides. And remember, how many sides does a square have? Four sides. And remember, what is a vertex? Or you might know it as vertices. One is a vertex. More than one are vertices. So I have one vertex here. Do you remember what that part is called? Well, we said it's a vertex, but do you remember what it is? It's like the corner of a shape. The vertex, or when we have more than one, because a square doesn't only have one vertex, it has 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember, it has 4 vertices. Okay, so let's take a look at how we can sort these shapes into ones that are different and ones that are alike. That means they have some things that are the same. So now we're going to sort our shapes. So let's see, we have learned these kinds of shapes. Remember, triangle, rectangle, circle, and square. So we are going to start with finding the shapes that have 4 vertices and 4 sides. Okay, so let's think for a second. Does a triangle have 4 vertices and 4 sides? Can you give me a thumbs up or thumbs down? I mean thumbs down, because how many sides and vertices does a triangle have? Only 3, not 4. Okay, what about a rectangle? Thumbs up or thumbs down. Does it have 4 sides and 4 vertices? If you gave a thumbs up, good job, it does. What about a circle? 4 sides and 4 vertices? Thumbs up or thumbs down? No, not a circle. We have a curved line that never stops, remember? What about a square? 4 sides and 4 vertices? What do you think? If you gave a thumbs up, good job, you're right. Okay, now we need to look at these shapes. Can you find a green crayon or marker? Okay, we need to color the shapes green that have 4 sides and 4 vertices. So let's see. We have this one. This one? No. This one? No. This one? Oh, now we're going to take a blue. Can you find a blue? And any shape that has a curved line, we're going to color blue. So what do you think? I'll do one for you. I see a shape that has a curved line. This one. Circles have curved lines. Okay, after you colored all the shapes with curved lines blue, find a red, because any shape with 3 sides and 3 vertices, we're going to color red. So I will do one for you. I see one shape that has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 vertices. So we're going to color it red. Can you do the rest by yourself? So now we're going to sort the shapes that we have learned into shapes that are alike. That means they have some things that are the same, or shapes that are different. Okay, let's see. So for this page, we're going to sort shapes that have the same number of vertices. So let's say the shapes with 4 vertices are going to be alike. And the shapes that do not have 4 vertices are going to be different. So let's think. Can you think of a shape? I'm thinking about circles. That's the first one we learned. Does a circle have 4 vertices? What do you think? No. So I would put a circle here. What about a square? Does a square have 4 vertices? If you remember, we learned that a square does have 4 vertices. Remember? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 sides as well. Okay, can you draw some more shapes? Which shapes have 4 vertices and which ones do not? Which ones are different? We've also learned triangle that you can draw. We've learned rectangle, hexagon. Maybe you can even think of a few others.